Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, My Simple Remedies. What if I told you with just 2 ingredients, you could say goodbye to noticeable, unwanted, open pores? In the past, have you tried remedies to tighten up your pores? There are plenty of products and ingredients out there, including those provided by skin specialists, that can provide disappointing results. Today, I'm going to challenge you to simply use this remedy for a week. After 7 days, I guarantee your pores will all but disappear. Let's prepare the mask now. Take a clean bowl and add about 1 tablespoon of Fuller's Earth. You can order this product online. It's widely available. Next, I'm adding around 3 to 4 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Now mix it well and make it into a nice, smooth, consistent paste. Rinse your face with just water and make sure it's 100% dry before applying this mask. Next, start applying this mask using a brush. Remember to cover your entire face, just like I'm doing here. We don't need to apply this mask to our under eye area. Now, as you can see, I've applied a thick layer of this mask onto my face. Now leave it on your skin until it's completely dried. It can take up to 30 minutes before it dries, but believe me, it's quite effective and you're not wasting your precious time. Usually I don't do this, only for you guys. I'm making a promise. I've promised many of my friends that have tried this mask that it really works to help get rid of those large open pores. When you feel like it's squeezing your skin or you feel like something's sucking on your skin, then it's time to wash your face. Wash your face without using any soap or face wash, because they also contain a few chemicals that may negatively affect the results. After you've tested this mask out for the first time, check yourself out in the mirror and you'll see the results instantly. I'm not joking. Go test this out right now. Remember one thing, you can't store this mask, so prepare it fresh every time. I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to give it a like and share with your friends. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.